Hello, this is Peter Kroll and the product manager of Orange Industrial Products, and today I'm going to introduce our new products of wireless access point. This page shows the naming role of our industrial access point. We have supported Giga Ethernet and waterproof, and also 3G or 4G cellular generation. HAP 6620 Plus, which supports 2 RF modules for redundant wireless communication, and also supports multiple SSID up to 4. The advantage of the dual RF is not only for redundancy, also for the concurrent operation of the two RF modules. As you can see from the diagram, the advantage of this model is to have the 2 RF modules operating concurrently. So, for example, the customer can have one module operating in client mode, and the other RF module operating in AP mode, so that the AP mode RF module can be connected to any wireless client, and this wireless client can be connected to any other access point from the second RF module. IGAR 1662 plus 3G is the access point with routing function, and this model has 2 Wi-Fi modules supporting 11 ABGN up to 300 megabit per second speed, and also 1 cellular module of 1 SIM card slot. And the cellular module supports up to 3.5G HSDPA modem dial-up. There's one operation mode supported in the AR type access point, which is the AP LAN operation mode. And AP LAN operation mode is actually able to separate the Wi-Fi connection and also the cellular connection. For example, the Wi-Fi connection can be set into LAN connection, and the RF and the cellular connection to be set into WAN connection. And there's like a routing. They have different IP domains. As you can see from the diagram, the advantage of this model is it has 2 Wi-Fi modules which can be operated concurrently with maybe different operation mode, AP client mode, or different Wi-Fi band, like one operated in 2.5 gigahertz, the other one operated in 5 gigahertz. And also there is a routing function on the 3.5G cellular modules. The TGAR is our transport type of AP and AR, and also support waterproof and 3G or 4G LTE. TGAP 6620 M12 is a rolling stock application access point, which has 2 RF modules, pretty much the same as the IGAP, but with the rolling stock standard and comply to EN 50155 compliant. All ports, including power port and Ethernet ports, are all using M12 connectors, and it is also supporting the multi-SSID up to 4. The same as the IGAP type, the 2 RF modules also supports concurrent operation. TGAR 2062 4G M12 is a transport type of access point which has 1 Wi-Fi 11 supporting 11 ABGN, and also 2 4G LTE cellular modules. The 2 LTE modules supports the backup and load balance operation mode selected and chosen by depends on customers' needs. And for the backup mode, the 2 LTE modules can be operated as one primary and the other one is secondary or the backup. So at the same time, only one of the the module will be operating, and once maybe one of the primary LTE module is down, and system will automatically switch to use the backup one. This diagram shows the advantage of the TGAR2062. As you can see, the two LTE module also can be operated as low balance mode. So the two modules is now both operating, and the two modules can share the loading from the Wi-Fi. TGAP W610 plus M12 this model is designed for outdoor usage, which has IP67 waterproof and also comply to the rolling stock standard. And also this model also supports multi-SSID up to 4. As you can see from the diagram, this model is being deployed and placed outdoorly, and during the rain condition, this one with the level 7 waterproof, this model can still operate very well. And also, in order to have sufficient power supply outdoor, this model also supports the PoE function. Key technology or the operation mode of access point. The first one is the AP mode. As you can see, the AP mode is pretty common mode used for access point. Like the orange AP is being placed in the middle, and with the different transmit power of the antenna, the coverage is different, and within the coverage, the notebook or any wireless client devices can be connected to this access point. The other mode is the AP client mode. The AP client mode is like the AP is being operated in both AP mode and client mode. So, for example, like the AP can be connected to a switch wired, and also can have wireless connection with a notebook, and as well, this AP can be connected to another AP as client mode. So, as you can see from the diagram, the clients can have wireless connection to maybe another access point. Bridge mode is pretty similar to the AP client mode, but only wired connections for the AP. So as you can see, the notebook or any other wireless devices will not have any wireless connection to the AP, only the wired connections like a switch or PLC to have a Ethernet connection directly to the access point, and all devices connected after the access point will have connections to each other. For example, the PLC on the left hand side can be able to send data to the PC on the right hand side. Repeater mode is using the same, it's actually the mode pretty much like access point AP mode plus bridge mode. So as you can see, the client can be connected to the access point and have connection to the other wireless client on the right hand side. And the difference between repeater mode and the AP client mode is like in repeater mode is pretty much operated in layer 2, so the broadcast packet can be sent from left hand side to right hand side. As well, the client or the PC is able to have direct connections to the devices on the right hand side, but in the AP client mode, as you can see, the PC or the notebook on the left hand side is not able to have any direct connection to the devices on the right hand side. It is only able to connect it to the access point on the opposite side. The advantage of multiple SSID, this function is being applied to most of our access point, the AP type access point. What's the advantage of the multiple SSID? It's easier for the operator to manage or to control the numbers of the clients to be connected to this AP. For example, it can have up to 4 SSID, which SSID is being connected to different groups of clients, and this function can be used as a VLAN for easier management and grouping.